welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't read by the title, today I have a Peachy Babies slime review. I have a big order and so I'm gonna review it with you guys. But I'm gonna show you guys like the slimes I got. The first one I got was I got Capybara Cove, like cute. Then 2 clay kits. The first one is I got a honey toast clay kit and it comes with toast and like a little cute like whipped cream clay, which is very cute. It comes with this honey like syrup. And then the next, no, don't squish it, Mom.
I want to smell it.
You don't touch it though, because I'm gonna touch it.
Smells good.
Don't mind the background noise. My mom's in here. And my mom got me this souffle pancakes clay kit. Comes with the syrup.
So
don't mind it, please. Please do not mind the background noise. Don't touch it, don't touch it. You can touch it in a minute. And so...
Is this one I smell?
Yeah.
What's this one? Is this the...
I want to smell this one. That's
Did I
honey
smell
toast.
this one?
That's
I
honey
already
toast.
smelled that one, right?
Mom.
Yeah,
Okay guys, so the first one we will be reviewing, I'm actually not sure at this point. I'm thinking about reviewing the honey toast clay kit last and the souffle pancakes last too, because these ones are like one of my favorites that I'm excited for. But first we're going to be reviewing Capybara Cove. So like I said, it actually smells super duper good. It comes with like jelly cubes and this is like what it looks like. Oh my god. And I'm also on the phone, guys. But look at Mary Lou.
Oh my god, that is so pretty.
Okay. So I'm gonna squish it for the first time, guys. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Okay. Ready, set, go.
I feel safe now.
I'm gonna take it out. It's kind of like sticky. I think you just have to play with it, okay?
Oh my god, it's so satisfying.
It is actually kind of sticky though. Oh my gosh. What happened?
My brother is being very silly right now.
Okay, so this is Capybara Cove. It's really nice. It is kind of sticky though, but I'm not gonna add the the activator pen because I know that there's been a few videos where like they've done it before and it just made it worse. So guys, I will not be doing that. It smells really good though. It smells like clean laundry. But so yeah, this one. Oh, one of the beads fell out. But I rate this one like. Oh, this bead keeps falling off. I rate this one like a 7 out of 10. It's because it's like very like, it's fun to play with, guys, but like it's very sticky kind of. Like, can you see that?
Oh my god, yeah, I can feel like the residue from it.
Yeah, it's like very like a lot of residue.
I know.
But that's probably because it's been in the heat kind of for a long time, so don't mind that. But it's like a very cute slime. I really like it. I think it's very recommended. And these bubble pops right now that it's making as you're like squeezing the cubes, it's really satisfying. So this is one slime and we're gonna go down to the next one. Okay guys, so this is my friends. Guys, this slime, like I said, I think I said in the video, I rated it like a 7 or like a 6, maybe an 8 out of 10. But it's just like kind of sticky. And like, I feel like the charms are kind of pointy, like sharp. But this one is not bad. So we're gonna go on to the next slime. And I think I inflated the slime a little bit. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope it doesn't just come out. So this is what this one is. This one was actually a pretty cool slime to play with. So now we're gonna move on to souffle pancakes. This is the like DIY kit, and then this one is like the DIY clay kit right here. So we'll do the best one for last. anyway, so this one is what we have. It's the souffle pancakes. We're gonna open it. We're gonna smell it because I heard that this is also like a really good slime and it looks a bit sticky.
It like melted.
I think it's really good. It's really good. Don't mind the background noise, y'all. This is sticky.
Don't do that. I'm gonna tell.
You have to place it fast, I can tell. Hold on. I'm on YouTube right now and the phone. This is not the best review I've ever had. Actually, it's kind of annoying because some of my siblings are trying to come in and bug me just because I got this. Okay guys, so it smells like really good. This one I feel like it's definitely gonna probably be like a 9 or a 10 out of 10 because like this one is like smells so good. It smells like kind of like a pumpkin spice like type of like pancake smell kind of for some reason, which sounds kind of weird, but just don't mind my thoughts. I'm thirsty though, so.
Yep, better.
Okay. It smells so good, you guys. It smells like blueberry pancakes. So I'm done playing with it now, and now we're gonna add this syrup with the berries, not the berries, the berries. There's berries inside. Oh, it smells really good. So this is what it's like playing with it in this container. It's like very... I think this is just a simple clear slime with like some, not yellow, brown like coloring. I do not know though how I'm gonna want to set this up though, so like. Okay, don't mind the background noise, you guys. But I think I'm gonna like, this is the best I guess I can do it. This is what it looks like, Mary Lou. Oh my god. It fell because it's like so melted, but like it looked better like that. Okay, we're gonna mix it in now. We're gonna take it out the package. Hopefully it doesn't make a big mess. I hope not. Okay. Ah! It's sticky. Okay. So it actually is a very good slime texture. As you guys can see, this is not really the best review. I thought it would be better than this, but like I'm on like the phone and stuff and no one will leave me alone in my room right now. And it comes with a lot of slime, and basically they're adding extra slime into the package, which it makes it even better because I love their slime, and it's like really good though. So this one is definitely gonna probably have to be my favorite, but I feel like the toast clay kit is gonna be probably the better one. Not trying to sound mean or anything, but this one did not turn into an ugly color. It still looks like a pancake color, and it smells super duper good. Like very cute, like smells like waking up in the morning to just pancakes in your nostrils. Like it smells like really good. And it like has very good bubble pops. It like very. This one I'm gonna have to rate 10 out of 10. It's very good packaging, very good ASMR, very good everything, I'd say. Like it's very, just everything. Like it's 10 out of 10. It's music to my ears, okay guys? Okay guys, so I'm going to try to make you guys see better with the slime as much as possible, but I'm on my phone, so I'm not really gonna see the best, but like that. It is a very simple clear slime, I believe. It's very nice, and I definitely recommend. It smells really good, like if you woke up to pancakes in the morning. My mom's gonna try it out. It's kind of sticky. You have to play with it fast. How is it though?
Oh, it's too sticky.
Yeah, I told you have to play it fast and you
No
drop it
thanks.
on the. Yeah.
I don't like those kind. Oh my god, it's on me.
Girl,
It's on my hand.
oh my god, you're taking all it.
I just put it out back.
Oh, you did? Okay. So, guys, this is what it looks like. It's a very simple, just like, whatever, like, just basic slime. It smells so good though, like very good. This smell I definitely recommend. This is so good. It's addicting to play with, and I feel like I also inflated it probably a little bit too much. So we're gonna have to find out how to work with this, and someone's trying to walk in. Okay guys, by the way, this is the box it came in. I just had to let you guys know that because I didn't start the video with the box. So, yeah, and one of the berries fell out of it, which the berry is very squishy. Anyways, so it is very good ASMR. I feel like though we need to pause and just leave this slime alone for now until we move on to the next slime because we still have a whole entire brand new slime waiting for us. Okay guys, also shout out to my mom for buying me Peachy Baby slime. Yeah, this I need to put away now because I feel like two pieces of slime just got like flung. Okay. So we're gonna have to put this beautiful slime masterpiece away. It's time for the next slime. Next we have honey toast clay kit. It comes with a honey like syrup, and then for the toppings, the clay, it came with like this toast and then like a little side of whipped cream. And let's like assemble it all together like real time because I'm on FaceTime and I'm also going to do it on video so that everyone can see it. I'd say the packaging and like the presentation of it so far is like very cute. This one is bursting.
Did it like melt and like started like coming out?
I think it's just too much slime for it to handle. It's like too much. Okay. I'm going to try my best to put a little bit extra in here, which is probably a bit too much, but we'll try and see. Okay, so this one is acting up right now, so we're going to have to fix this problem, which means that both of them are going to start overflowing, which sometimes, not trying to be mean, Peachy Babies, if you will be watching this when I post it, but like your slime, too much slime. It's just too much because now like it's either inflated. Sorry guys, like I said, souffle pancakes keeps acting up, so we're gonna try again. Like I said, we're gonna try to put this all together real time in front of my friend on phone and in front of you guys on camera. So yeah, we're gonna open this because I want to see if this is scented. Probably not, you know, but it's okay. For some reason, it actually smells like weird, but good at the same time. Oh, there goes my whipped cream. It fell out of its own package.
Oh my god. I'm gonna put glitter.
Oh, okay. Anyways, so I just got this like 20 minutes ago, guys. So yeah, but no, this is what it looks like that. We're gonna open this. I am still curious what this one smells like, so. It really almost smells the same exact as souffle pancakes or soffle pancakes, whatever it is. But this one is probably more like less. Okay, this one's my favorite. It is not sticky at all. It has like a milk color to it, like, you know, milky cream color. Okay, instead of being weird, guys, we're gonna put this together, and it's very fragile. We need to try to put all of the sprinkles on, because y'all, this needs to look precious as much as possible. This will be saved for later.
No.
I'd say that these sprinkles are kind of like a big mess.
Oh, yeah, they probably get everywhere.
Okay, guys, so this is a very weird, like I keep saying in the video, like very odd review. Like it's not like as quiet or preppy as I thought it would be. because this was kind of unexpected. I was still waiting for it to come tomorrow, but I guess, like, definitely now I'm gonna rate them a 10 out of 10 out of 10 because they said that it'd come tomorrow, but they saved my life and just gave it to me today. So I didn't have to wait an extra 24 hours because I don't think I can wait any more longer. Okay, so if you guys hear a sound, please do not mind, but this is eating right now. Like, it is eating, like literally eating. So we have all of these sprinkles like wanting to run away from me, but that's alright, right? So we're gonna save the whipped cream for later. This is like a lot of slime though.
Ooh, that one's so pretty.
And it smells like fruit snacks, but in a good way. Actually, I have a good idea, guys. I'm going to get all these sprinkles and put it into this mini slime, so it looks better. And guys, everyone is going to have different opinions and ways of how they want their slime to be decorated, and mine is going to add all these extra annoying sprinkles into this mini slime. My friend also is doing some ASMR with her slime, so
I'm adding like glitter to it.
and then right here, whipped cream on top. This eats. Why? Why? Okay. We're gonna take a picture. I already told you, I did take a picture real fast, so then I still have time to adore this before I have to destroy it, you know? So we're going to destroy this.
No!
That's how I'm feeling right now too. Don't worry. You're not the only one. Okay, ready, set, go. I feel like a monster doing this.
It's so sad. Like,
It's just so pretty, and it looks like actual real toast. Like, I'm not gonna lie.
it makes you sad.
I actually hope that this does not like ruin my slime though, because this clay is not feeling like clay at all. It's feeling rippy.
Oops. Oh no, not Rippy.
Yeah.
No, Rippy, glitter over here. Stop.
Okay, don't mind the background noise, y'all. Okay. So this is a lot of slime. You know,
No, over there.
we're gonna have to try to mix all of this like toast crust, because this crust just ripped my slime.
No!
I'm worried.
Try like activating it.
I'm not gonna activate it 'cause So guys, this is a very, very good slime after all. I thought that the toast was like ruining it. But this one is probably also gonna have to be like a 9 or a 10 out of 10. So this is very satisfying, honestly. This is a lot of slime that it comes with.
That is. Yes, but PJ Baby should definitely send you a like PR package because like yes.
Their slime, guys, and my friend, I recommend you guys buying it because very good texture, always cute packaging, always cute scents, like very like preppy, very demure.
A good reasonable like price.
And also for like $16 to get a slime,
Like it's
like 3 times 16, that's like $28. What the? No, that's not $28. What's
like
I wasn't multiplying right. So 8, 2 times 3, 6, like $78 worth of slime. which actually is like the price I spent, like 78 to 80 bucks a slime. But it's actually, I guess you can say, pretty much the worth of waiting, like buying. It's a very good cloudy textured slime. It's like very like chill. It's like making me feel better with all this anxiety I have right now.
Girl, act like it. Ew, my brother.
And I did not have to use any activator care package at all. This is how good it is.
Yeah.
I definitely recommend you guys to get beautiful slime.
No.
And yeah, guys, so yeah. My friend has to say something.
Make sure to subscribe to Molly's channel. It looks good. Just because, like, she just has really good videos and they're so interesting. It looks like chocolate. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and like. It looks like chocolate.
Yes. Okay, guys, so we're gonna talk about like the slime, how it was, how good it was, how like the good ASMR it had. If you guys can even hear it through my broken phone. Like, it's just a very good slime. Very satisfying, very like obsessing to play with. Okay. Just very obsessing, okay? Like very addicting. I'm obsessed, you know. This is the slime. Right now.
It looks like a cinnamon bun. Like that looks so
It
good.
doesn't even smell like honey either. Like it
I would
just
eat it
smells.
if it.
Guys, if it was real and it smelled like
No, Nico, stop eating.
it says do not eat.
Oh. But it's gonna make me want to.
So one in this container, guys. I'm gonna be packing this up now because we still have to review and talk about all of the things that I felt like was very good. And it was just very addicting to play with. I definitely like recommend ordering off of their slime shop. It's just a very good slime, and I'd say, to me, in my opinion, a very good price for all of this slime. So I definitely recommend it. We still have to talk about things though, so do not think this video is over yet. You guys are not leaving anywhere at all until I talk to you guys. Important news, y'all. Important news. Okay. So we have literally like 3 packages or like bottles full of this big slime order. Let's talk about it. Okay, guys, this is a whole tower, full of slime. As you guys can see from top to bottom is full of slime. We're gonna talk about them. First one we have is the one that we opened first. First one we opened was Capybara Cub. This one was a very cute and adorable, like a good smelly though, in a good way, like a good smelly slime. One thing, there's a few things I liked and didn't like about it. First thing I liked about it was it smelled very good. It looked very cute, and the packaging was like very cute. It did have a good texture, and a few things I don't like about it is when I first opened it, it was a bit sticky. It was also kind of underactivated. Like the cubes, I feel like they can ditch because I like the second once you're done like squeezing all of the cubes, it's just kind of gross and it makes your slime feel gross and stuff. But they do have like very good pops when you pop them. Another thing I didn't like about them, like the things were so cute, like the charms, but they were kind of sharp when squeezing them, like the slime. But I'd say that this one was pretty good. I'm gonna give it about like a 7.5 out of 10. We're gonna move on to the next one. This one, we have a lot to talk about on this souffle pancakes. So guys, the first thing I had to talk about this was when I opened it, it was kind of melty and sticky. When I put like everything together, one thing I did not like about it was when I was trying to show like my friends and stuff, it fell apart because it was basically like melted. So that's one thing I did not like about the packaging, was like it had cute like charms and stuff that came with it. Like I said, the only thing, it was melted when it came to me. So PG babies, if you guys can do a little bit more better with trying not to put it in heat cars, like hot cars, because it did kind of melt my slime and that kind of made me upset. But other than that, the scent, the like texture, it was very adorable. Also, another thing I didn't like was because there's still slime trying to come out, if you guys can see that. It did inflate actually a lot, and it basically came with a whole thing, but like all brown like slime, and put that in here. But other than that, it was a very cute slime. I recommend buying it, but just remember guys, live closer to Texas so then it would come faster and it doesn't melt. Next one, we have Honey Toast Clay Kit. This one was a very, very adorable, great texture. Nothing, I feel like nothing I have to complain about, except one thing was, like I said in the beginning, the clay felt like it was rippy at first, but I realized that you just have to mix it all together for it to feel like a very satisfying cloud slime. But other than that, I'd say this one has a perfect score. This one has a 9 out of 10, and this one has a 7.5 out of 10. This one actually has a 9.5. This one has a 7.5. This one has a 7.5, and this one has a perfect score of 10 out of 10. This one wins. But this is all of the stuff I have, guys. And if you guys liked it, make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and spam the comments, or actually comment down below if you guys have ever tried Peachy Babies. And if you guys haven't, please try it out now. Bye, guys.